Hi everyone, Mrs. Moore here. I'm going to show you how to make your own disinfectant wipes. If your parents haven't told you, it is very difficult to find any in the stores now. So this is a way you can make your own, so you can make sure everything is disinfected and germ-free. So what you will germ-free. So what you will need is a roll of paper towels, a container to put them in, a knife to cut the paper towel in half, a cutting board, tablespoon and a half a tablespoon measuring spoon, dish soap, and vinegar. It's very simple. So first you cut the paper towel roll in half, which I already did. And you can see the end of it is all jagged, but it's okay. You can still use it. And so you take the cup and a half of warm water and you add a tablespoon and a half of the dish soap. Then you do 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Got a little extra vinegar there, but I don't think it's going to hurt it. You stir it well. You take your half of a paper towel and you stuff it inside your container, which I've already done, and then you pour the liquid all over it. When it all gets saturated, you get to pull the center of this tube, you get to pull it out, which I already did, and then you pull from the center and you have your own disinfectant wipes.